So finally, finishing with an exam style question, they're telling us that a uniform meter rule is balanced horizontally on a pivot at its 35 centimetre mark by placing a 5 Newton weight on the rule at its 2 centimetre mark. They want us to sketch the arrangement and calculate the weight of the rule. So they're telling us that it's an equilibrium. So first off, let's just draw the setup. You can see here I've drawn the meter rule, and this is the pivot. This is the rule. This is the pivot. And so then we're going to see that this distance here, this distance from the beginning of the ruler to the pivot is 35 centimetres. We're going to have a weight, well, we're going to have the centre of the ruler is obviously at 50 centimetres, it's a metre rule, so that's about 50. And that's where the mass of the ruler is going to act. So now let's draw on some weights. We see we have this 5 Newton weight, a 5 Newton weight on the 2 centimetre mark about here. And then we have this, the weight from the ruler, which we'll call W at the 50 centimetre mark. And then we have the resultant force, sorry, the normal reaction force from the pivot at 35 centimetres there. And we see that this is 2 centimetres, so I'll just draw that on. So this distance here is 2 centimetres. So we sketch this out, we put on our distances, and so now we're going to, they want us to calculate the weight of the rule. How are we going to do that? We're going to take moments. We know we're in equilibrium, so we know we have force balance and moment balance. The force balance implies that R equals 5 newtons plus W. So we're going to call it, we're going to assume newtons all the way through here and just write R as 5 plus W. And we also have moment balance. So we're going to take moments around the pivot, which we're going to call M. We're going to take moments about M. So we see we're going to have a anti-clockwise effect from the 5 Newton force, and then we're going to have a clockwise effect from the W, the weight of the ruler acting at the midway point at the 50 centimetres. We're going to have this clockwise effect.
Hey guys, to continue watching this video and unlock hundreds of other super concise and exam board specific A-level physics videos, just click the Snap Revise smiley face. Join me today, and together let's make A-level physics a walk in the park.